How to save Pinterest pictures to your phone's gallery. So first thing first, you want to head over to your Pinterest, and this will be your homepage. You can search for any picture that you want to save. So I'm just going to scroll down, and this looks quite good. So I'm just going to download this wallpaper. If you tap on any of these right here, you can see the save option. But what this will do is it will save it to your Pinterest gallery, not your phone's gallery. So you can view it on your saved right here. So these are the things that you've saved. It will be right here. But in order to download to your gallery, what you have to do is just tap on your profile first. But before we go any further, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And on that note, the next step is what you have to do. Tap on the three dots at the top right, and you will see an option to download image. So just tap on it, and image will be downloaded to your gallery. So you can just go ahead and check your gallery and see if the image is visible or not. So here is the image on my gallery, and it has been downloaded. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.